So in subdivision 2, fifth question, subdivision 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, etc., 1 by 2187. So in normal method, we have to find the answer. So A equal to 1 by 3, R equal to T2 by T1. So T2 value 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. If it is cancelled, we get to 1 by 3. So find this value name is Tn. Okay, this value name is Tn. So Tn equal to A R power n minus 1. Tn equal to, so this value is Tn. So we want to place value. Okay, so n is a place value. We don't know here the n value. So 1 by 2187 equal to 1 by 3. A value 1 by 3, 1 by 3. If it is cancelled, the denominator to denominator, we get 729. So this 729, we have to divide it by 3 in 6 times, dividing here. So 3 power 6. Okay, so the 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is a base value is equal. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is a base value is here. The 729, 1 power 6 by 3 power 6. 1 by 1 power 6 divided by, okay, so the power 6 in இருக்கிறத we can take the common power. Okay, so the 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is a base value. The base value is equal here. So we can equating the power value. So n minus 1 equal to 6. So the n value is 7. So the sixth question, in a GP, the ninth term is 32,805. So sixth term is 1215. Find the 12th term. So if you find the 12th term, the formula Tn equal to A R power n minus 1. So T12 equal to A R power 12 minus 1. So A R power 12 minus 1, 11. So the T12 value is A R power 11. But this is A and R is a unknown value. So we can find the A and R value from the given question. Okay, the two terms is here. So T9 equal to 32805, T6 equal to 1215. So A, if it is divided by 1 divided by 2, okay, A R power 8 equal to 32805, A R power 5 equal to 1215. So A value is cancelled. R power 5 cancel from R power 8, we get 3. Okay, 8 minus 5. If this 5 goes to numerator part, then take subtraction here. So R value is 3. So R cube equal to, if it is cancelled, this value is 27. So R equal to, so we can write 3 into 3 into 3 in 3 times. So R value is 3. R cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3. We can take one number, R equal to 3. So next we want A value. So A value, take the first and second equation in whatever is correct. Okay, take any one and substitute in R value here. So A R power 5, 1215. Okay, this R power is come to right hand side, become denominator part. So A equal to 1215 divided by 3 power 5. So 1215, take LCM, synthetic division. Okay, if it is take synthetic division, 3 power 5 into 5. So 3 power 5 cancel. So A value is 5. It is A value is 5. So already we teach this one. T12 equal to A R power 11. So A R power 12 minus 1, 11. So A value 5, R value 3. This is a 12th value. Okay, T12 value. So 7th question. Find the 10th term of GP, whose 8th term is 768. And the common ratio is 2. And the common ratio is 2. Common ratio value is given. Then one term value, 8th term value is 768. So here want A value only. A value only. R value already given. So find 10th term. So 10th term meaning T10 equal to A R power 10 minus 1. Okay, so A R power 9 only. Okay, but want here A value and A value only. So T8 meaning A R power 7. Substituting this formula only. So 768. So A R value 2 power 7 equal to 768. A equal to 2 power, this one also taking in synthetic division. Okay, so 2 power 8 into 3. So if it is cancelled this one, only 1 2 is remainder numerator part. So 2 into 3 are 6. So a value is 6, r value is 2. So apply this equation, apply this formula. A value 6, r value 2. So 2 power 9. So this is correct only. So if you like to simplify this number, we can simplify. So 3072 T10 value. So the eighth question, if a comma b comma c are in a dot b, then show that 3 power a, 3 power b, 3 power c are in gp. So first of all, this one form in ap. Okay, so a b c are in ap. So if it is a b c are in ap, meaning, so we can, the difference always equal, the difference also always equal. Then here also the ratio, common ratio is always equal. So t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. So if it is substitute here, t2 value b, t1 value a, so c minus a. So this b comes to left hand side. So 1b 1b 2b. So a plus c. So d 2b equal to a plus c. So here t2 by t1 equal to t3 by t2. So t2 value is 3 power b divided by 3 power a equal to 3 power c divided by 3 power b. So this denominator part goes to numerator part. So this power value plus a become minus a. Here also this plus b become minus b. But the same base value, no. So write one time only enough here. So 3 power b minus c, 3 power c minus b, 3 also equal. Okay, so 3, this b minus a, b minus a, this c minus a, this c minus b value b minus a only. So substitute here b minus a. So both sides are equal. So it is on GP. It is in GP. So the ninth question. In a GP, the product of three consecutive terms is 27. So this is very important question. This type of sums always ask the question. Okay, the sums of the product of the two terms, taken. Find the three terms. So let a by r, a r be the consecutive terms. Product, first of all, product value is 27. A by r, a r. So r cancel. A cube equal 27. A value is 3. So sum of product of taken 2 at time is sum of product of 2. So here we can take pair values. A by r, a. Then a r. Then a r, a by r. Okay. Then sum. The every product is adding here. Okay, the sum of. So if it is cancel, r cancel, r cancels, a square by a square only. A by r, a. The next one a r into a by r. Here a square by r, a square r cancel, a square equal to 57 by 2. Take a square common value outside. So 1 by r plus 1. So this r multiply in this r, multiply in 1. So 1 plus r square by r. So here 3 square. Okay, a value 3 square. 3 square value 9. 9 comes to right hand side, become the denominator part. If it is cancel, 19 by the denominator part is 6. So this 6 multiply in left hand side numerator part. So r plus r 6r, 6 plus 6r plus 6r square. This r multiply in 19. So 19r. So if it is arranged this one, form in quadratic equation, then solve the equation by factorize method. So we get r equal to 3 by 2, 2 by 3. So if for the first, when r equal to 3 by 2, a equal to 3, the consecutive terms a by r, substituting here, we get 2 3 9 by 2. Then when r value 2 by 3, a equal to 3, we get 9 by 2, 3 2. Okay, so the 10th question. A man joined a company as assistant manager. The company have him a starting salary rupees 60,000 and agreed to increase his salary 50,000 annually. What will be his salary after 5 years? Okay, so read a question carefully again. A man joined as a company assistant manager. The company have him, his starting salary is 60,000 and agreed to increase his salary 50% annually. The every year the 50% salary is increased here. So the A value is 60,000. R value increased by 5%, no? So 105 by 100. 105 by 100. Okay, 100 plus 5%. So 5% meaning 100 by 500. So n equal to after 5 years. After 5 years meaning 6 years. Okay. After 5 years meaning 6 years. So T6 equal to A R power n minus 1. So A value 60,000. 105 by 100. So n value 6 minus 1. So if it is cancelled this part we get 76,577. Okay, thank you children. You have to write in your classwork note. Okay, so write neatly and maintain in your classwork note. So in still in your 10th studied, want the classwork note. Okay, then you have to try to solve the example sums also. Don't neglect. Okay, you are must follow my words. Okay, thank you student.